Smaller, more compact, newer. Murata supplies advanced electronic components and technology for products and services that are used every day. Where else is cutting-edge Murata technology used? How else can it be used to make life better? One key area is medical and healthcare services. In a rapidly aging population with limited medical resources and rising rates of chronic diseases, Murata is changing the world for better by addressing challenges in society and the healthcare sector through innovation inside for medical technologies, safer, smarter, and more user-friendly medical care. Products designed for optimum safety, usability, and efficiency from the patient's perspective. Drawing on decades of expertise in developing electronic components, Murata produces medical devices that are quieter, smarter, and easier to use than ever before. Reducing the burden on both patients and healthcare professionals with medical solutions that are safer, smarter, and more user-friendly. Regenerative medicine and cell therapy products for medical research and examinations, along with micromechatronics components, are the key to our high-quality medical solutions. At Murata, we take a forward-looking approach to creating solutions designed to deliver social benefits from the patient's perspective. Product development effort is grounded on a global outlook. Murata's proprietary electronics technologies and innovative ideas are helping to improve quality in the medical sector and deliver better results for patients.